If you're wondering how you can change the DNS server or the DNS address of your Amazon Fire TV, but you can't find the option in the network settings, then here's how you change your Fire TV's DNS in less than a minute. First of all, let's go to the network settings. And you can see we are using Wi-Fi. Now, if we look at our Wi-Fi's network status by pressing the play pause button, and then go to Advanced, you'll be able to see all the detail of this network, including the DNS address. We can expand it by pressing the OK button again, and here you can see the current DNS. Now we'll see how you can change it. But to do this, first you'll need to forget your Wi-Fi. So make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password, then with the Wi-Fi network highlighted, press the menu button, then press select to confirm forgetting. And after we have forgot the network, you'll have to select the Wi-Fi once again, then enter your password carefully, and after you have entered the password, you'll need to go down and select Advanced. It will open a window where it will ask you to put in the IP address. We will keep the IP address as it's shown here. After you have put in the IP address, you'll need to hit Next. Then we will enter the same gateway address as it's written here. Then press Next again, and similarly we will put in the network prefix, hit Next, and finally we have the DNS option. You can see here it shows the default DNS that we just checked. Now in this field, feel free to put in any DNS that you find suitable for your use. If you're not sure which DNS that you want to use, then a simple Google search is all you need. For example, we are going to go with Cloudflare's DNS. So in the DNS1 field, we'll need to put in the primary DNS address, which is 1.1.1.1. Then we will press Next and put in the secondary DNS, which is 1.0.0.1. Now press the play pause button to connect, and you're all good. Then you'll get connected to your Wi-Fi with the changed DNS settings. And we can verify that by going to the network status once again, and here you can see the DNS has been changed. So that's how simple it is to change the DNS server of your Amazon Fire TV. If this helped, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to support us, and I'll see you around.